All right, go. Alright, so Franklin was doing a burnout in my front street or whatever, and my neighbor in his Corvette called him out hard as fuck. He said, shit. Yeah, I guess they can left, yeah. He said, I'll give you a 1-car head start. And his, I think, is 6.2?
Yeah.
6.2 automatic, and yours is 5.0 6-speed. And Franklin has a straight pipe, like a full straight pipe, and I think he just has a cab back. No, he has an axle back. He has an axle back exhaust. Oh shoot, this guy is hella tugged. Damn. Dang, that cheap gas I put in your car yesterday is gonna kill it, right?
Oh shit.
You forgot about that, right? Alright. Bike life looking ass. Alright, slow down. Yeah. Hold on, we have to give him space. Where are we going? Slow down. Oh, fuck. His shit hauls ass, bro. Fuck. Alright, go. Oh, shit. Alright, just like turn around over there at the car wash. Damn. Oh, crap.
That shit picked up, right?
That shit is fast, right?
Yeah.
Ah, damn.
Oh, shit.
He gonna think you suck. Damn. Ah, damn, son. That shit is fast as fuck, bro. I need you to slow down.
Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, I feel you, bro. I got you, bro. Yeah. That's nice, bro. Oh shit.
Good. Damn. There's too many cars.
Where?
Just say last pull.
Hey, one more.
Shit. All right. Hold the brake. Bro, this shit fun, right?
Oh, all that attention, right?
Street racing in Mexico, baby!